break. You know, it's all paperwork, it's scheduling, day in and day out. But I'm done. Now, honestly, I swear to God, if this fight delays our mining schedule, I'll kill you twice. What are you, stupid? You shoot at me, I'm gonna shoot you back, jack off. I'm gonna slice you right in half. Fucking ambitious bounty hunters! Ha! That hurt, huh? Yeah, here comes some more!
Hey, well, don't shoot the hook bug. That's probably somebody's pet.
How dare you fuck with me when you don't do a job that has you do paperwork, you asshole! Ah!
Are you fucking serious right now? Can't beat me. I got more left in me. Just a little furlough to help get my energy back up. Seems like they have you doing all the boring paperwork shit over here, so you can't be too strong.
Die already! I got a Gatling too, you know. How dare you leave the fuck with the J3 bounty hunter? Boom! Ah! Boom! Ha! Bring it on! I can take it. Die already! Eat shit, you jack off! Eat this! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop shooting at me, asshole!
Come to space jet!
Over the ass! I'm coming after you! Oh, no! Didn't see that coming!
I'm not gonna let you fucking kill me. Fuck this! I need an edge.
Honestly, how do you even do anything with drills for hands? How do you eat? Right? Look, I'm not judging. I don't have any hands at all. I actually don't even know why I'm barking up this tree.
It's been a while since I got a chance to get my drill dirty. You're racist, asshole! Ah! You didn't like dirt, bitch! Tell us about a drill kisser. It's drill motherfucker. You're finished, asshole! I'm coming right for you. Special delivery for certain enemy jackals. Shit! Eat! I'm gonna slice you right in half. Time to bring it all down. Surprise, Dagger! You're done for. That's the best you got? My paperwork hits harder than you. Here comes Kurbis! Ready or not, here I will! You're finished! the G3 bounty hunter. Catch these discs. I don't feel pain, but I did for that bullet, and it did feel good. Why won't you just die? Catch these discs, you son of a bitch! You're finished, asshole! It's 12 o'clock, fucker! Ready or not, here I drill! Here comes Kurbis! I'm coming right for you!
Feels amazing. You have no idea. Oh God, I'm in heaven right now. Oh, you should see this. Oh, ripping through his drill tendons like they're butter. Oh fuck. Oh, I was really getting my glumps off there, wasn't I? Sorry about that.
Ooh. Hey, bud, the name's Gus. Real good to meet you. Look at you, man. Pretty slick taking out Kurbis like that, rescuing me from indentured servitude, etc., etc. I love that kind of stuff. You know what? I love that. That's the kind of stuff I love, man. Now, you mind if I tag along with you for a bit?
Of course. That's what I was hoping you'd say. We can use your help. But I should be clear that we are trying to take down the whole G3 cartel, and we might die.
Music to my ears. You think I don't want to take down the cartel? Buddy, that's all I want to do. That's all I dream about.
Amazing. God, I'm so glad to find another Gatlian alive and well. I love your tiny little hands, by the way. I had a cousin who had those tiny hands. He died in the zombie apocalypse on Gatlas, but, look, I'm sure you don't want to hear about that. We had to live through it. I mean, who wants to talk about that?
Here's what I do. I shoot discs, right? They stick onto certain walls, and you can climb with them. Let me show off my disc launching trick on that ledge.